this system include some component. You fetch some point. What is some point? It is connect the some component connect. Now, why use this component to do what? What is the usual? We can say to form a system configuration that will provide a desired system response for a design. This is what we want, what we want to do, or system response. This component is used together is to get a desired suggested response. Now, this is the first technology is control system. Control system include some this component which interconnection is introduced. Now it is to finish or to finish this desired success response. Whether we can get a desired system response. This response is we want. Now this is the terminology of a control system. The other is reference input. Or our desired output. Now, what we want? The target of what we want. Now, this is the excitation applied to a control system from an external source. It is an excitation from the external resource. The reference signal produced by the reference select, it is the actual signal input to the control system. Now this is, and the other is turbulence. Now the turbulence is what we want. Maybe it is by the outside, or sometimes by the system itself. Now this distributed input also it is what we want for the system. Now it is distributed input. Turbulence input. This input is a different input sent to the system that has an unwanted effect for the system on the system output. Now, this is the this terminology. Right. Now, the 4 is output. output. What is the output of the computer? The output is for the computer system. If the input, now there is the output. Now, for example, if this computer is manufacturer, we can say up or down. If they up, we will forward or if this down, this will from forward. Oh, this is the output of the system. Now, this force output. This is can be a control variable. Now, this also is this quantity that must be maintained at a prescribed value at a this value, this prescribed value is we want. For example, this is very hot. Now we want the temperature of this room down. But so this we show that up, the temperature not up, but show the give this more cooler. We show the more cooler. So this is our prescribed value. This value may be physical temperature. This is the output. Now it must follow the command input without respond to disturbance input. This output. Now, the fifth is the feedback. Feedback. Maybe we can see the system is closed loop computer system. Now, the output of the system that is returned to modify this input. Just the feedback is this output. This output is used to modify this input or to change the input. Just this output have to change or modify the input. This is feedback. Now we can apply this output to change this control, and then this input will also change. Now, the next is this error. The error now is not mean, not right, but it is this difference of this input and the output. The difference of the input and the output. This the fixed terminology we have to review it and should remember it. Now let's have a rest. Yes.